Welcome to House of Coding, the ultimate destination for turning your coding dreams into reality. Here, we don't just teach you how to code, we empower you to become a coding maestro. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps or a seasoned developer leveling up your skills. This is your home for mastering programming languages, exploring cutting-edge technologies, and learning how to bring your software ideas to life. From designing your first app to deploying it on the cloud like a pro, we guide you through every stage of the development process. We'll dive into the fundamentals, unravel the secrets of clean code, and explore the latest trends in the tech world. Imagine building blazing fast web apps, automating workflows, creating dynamic mobile experiences, or even crafting your first AI-powered tool. It's all possible here at the House of Coding. So if you're ready to transform your coding skills, tackle exciting challenges, and build projects you're proud of, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. This is more than just a channel. It's a community of innovators, creators, and dreamers. Together, let's unlock the power of code and bring your ideas to life. House of Coding, code, create, conquer.